Hey guys, welcome to LaLaLuna with Anna and Lily. This is Anna. Let's draw a spring tree today. First, I draw the trunk of the tree. One more line on the right, a little bigger here. And now it's three main branches, one on the right, one in the middle, and one on the left side. Oh, if you're not yet subscribed our channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe and stay with us. I am drawing some more smaller branches. The more the merrier. Yes, just hold the pen a little loose and far from the point so you can have more natural line. From the small branches, you draw some more even smaller branches and shorter one to make the picture thicker, more crowded. Just keep doing that till you feel that it's right enough for the picture. Now it looks like the winter tree, right? With just the branch only. I don't know what it's called in English, but in Vietnamese, when the tree like this, they say the bone of the tree. I'm just adding a little more branches here. And now I will color the main branches with a brush, black brush. Oh, one thing interesting about the trees, there's a classification of trees can be done based on any number of variables, such as classify them based on their biological class, or you can classify them based on their type leaves, or some do the classification based on the bark of the tree, or even based on the seed of the tree too. So there are so many ways for us to classify the trees. So interesting, right? Now I am using the regular ball pen. So this kind of pen have a smaller line, give the smaller line. So I use it to make the branches, the small branches a little bigger. In this video, I want to introduce with you a saying, a quote that says, "Be like a tree, stay grounded, keep growing, and know when to let go." Lots of things for us to learn from a tree, right? I love the tree. I love to sing it. Just looking at the tree that makes me feel peaceful. It calms me down a lot. Oh, there's another saying I want to share with you too. That's the saying of Joyce Kim. That's I think I shall never see a poem lovely as a tree. Yes, that is a comparison between a poem and a tree, and I think myself a tree really is a really beautiful poem in the life, especially with the little breeze in a morning in a spring. It's really nice. And now I am using a green brush to tap to make a little leaves on the tree. I like this way because it's a very easy way and it's really quick too. You just tap on the top of the branches and sometimes a little lower of the main branches. That depends on how do you like the tree. If it's early in the spring, you can use the top of the brush to make the leaves smaller and you can make it thinner. But in the late spring, so like you can do the ways like I'm doing right now to make the leaf a little bigger. And now I'm doing more to make it thicker. And I can change the direction by using my left hand to make a different direction of the leaf to make it more natural. I'm not a left-handed person, I'm right-handed, but still doing this not difficult, so a little slower than doing with the right hand. Almost done. And we do a little more on the top of the left side to make it a little bigger there. I think it's okay now. Yeah. Very easy, right? And I'm going to draw I never feel satisfied with my drawing. I always want to add this a little, add a little of that, and change a little if I can. Now I'm going to draw a little bird here to make the tree more lively. Let's see the tail of the bird and the two wings flying widely open. One more on the left side. Yeah, when I look at the tree, I know that's spring here. And when I look at the bird, I hear the bird singing, and that I know the spring is here too. Yeah, one more little bird, so that the other bird can have a friend. Everybody need to have a friend. Yeah, this one should big, widely open wing. Yeah, very easy to draw the small bird like this. Very simple. It's fun too. I want to draw more birds, but then I feel like maybe it's too crowded, so two will be enough. Okay, almost done. Here we go. That's the final result. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, and please give me a like and share if you like my drawing, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. See you soon. Bye.